Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz, this is my channel Toiletterian. I try my best, okay? I try my best to bring you fragrances that are fantastic value for money. The ratio between what you pay and what you get are good, and hopefully you like them and you can do your research and see if they're any good to you. Today I have an unboxing and first impression for you, and this is a fragrance that not many people know and talk about. Very few people know about this. It's a very special fragrance. The name is strange, the presentation is stranger, but the main thing is the juice, the perfume itself. So let's go ahead. So this one is called JS Exte Man Eau de Toilette 50 ml. Okay, I'll leave in the description what is the name and the information. So forgive me if I'm mispronouncing the name. It's quite strange. Alright, so let's go ahead. This is one of those super bargains. It's under £10. And as you can see, the box is simple, nothing to brag about, but it does the job perfectly. It protects the bottle. And then let's see the bottle. Okay, box is simple and the bottle looks like this. As I said, it's quite a strange bottle, but it's okay. It's not bad. I don't think it's bad at all. Okay, so it's got information. It's 50 ml Eau de Toilette JS Exte Man, and this is been recommended to me by a good friend of mine. So let's see how it is. Okay, so the sprayer. Okay, the sprayer is okay. It's one of those you press down and it's quite nice. Alright, so as I said, I'll leave in the description below where you can find the information and also the price, the best price for it, hopefully. So let's go ahead. First impression. Okay, so immediately it will take you to Dior Homme. Okay, it's something between Dior Homme Intense. So it's not Dior Homme, it's not Dior Homme Intense, but something in between. It's got the sweetness of Dior Homme Intense, and it's got the iris of Dior Homme, the original, the 2005 or 6. Wow, and the first thing it hits you is the quality. The blending is, the quality is quite nice, very nice. Wow, I didn't expect this. So this is very beautiful, very affordable. This is 50 ml EDT under 10 quid. I paid for 2. I bought 2 of them because I always, this is one of the things with me, some of you might know this, I can't stand small bottles. I don't know, it's something about small bottles I can't, you know, basically it's not satisfying to me. I always go anything between 75 ml and up. Okay, 75 ml, 90 ml, 80 ml, 100 ml, 125, 120, 150, anything like that. Okay, so when I see a 50 ml bottle, I basically don't go for it. But with this it's a particular fragrance, you can't find it more than 50 ml. You can find it, but the price jump is huge. So this one is, say, under £10, and the 75 ml of it is like £25. So the jump in price, it doesn't justify it. Okay, I tried to get as cheap as possible 75 ml of it, but I couldn't find it. The cheapest I could find is £25. So instead I bought 2 bottles of 50 ml, so I said it's 100, and I paid under £15 for the both. And I tell you what, the smell is gorgeous. Wow, wow, wow. So the quality is there, beautiful. Is much more expensive what I paid for. The smell is what if you like the smell of a Dior Homme, the original, or Dior Homme Intense, the original. This is an absolute bargain, an absolute must. The only thing is, it's not 100% copy. Okay, so this one I think it came out around 2008 or 2010, something like that. So it is after when Dior Homme came out. Correct me if I'm wrong, yeah? So as far as I know. But definitely the inspiration is there, so you can smell Dior Homme and Dior Homme Intense together here. The only thing is, this one might put some people off because it's a little bit on the camphorous side, okay? So Dior Homme Intense, yes, but it's got something in there, it makes it a little bit camphorous, little bit leafy green, okay? So that might, if you are a big fan of Dior Homme and Dior Homme Intense, that might put you off. So yes, Dior Homme Intense, but a little bit of camphorous smell to it, so it's a little bit of like leafy earthiness to it. I love it. I think it's gorgeous, okay? So if you like what I described, so let me describe a little bit of what I get in the beginning. So it is, as I said, camphorous, a little bit earthy, but the iris is getting it. It's very, very smooth, okay? So it's buttery smooth. It's very, it's a little bit on the powdery side. Little bit, not much, little bit. And a little bit of sweetness. The sweetness is similar to Dior Homme Intense, okay? And it's very floral. So if you don't like floral fragrances, this is not for you. This is for men. It says on it. So it says JS EXTE man. So it is for men, or aimed at men, or marketed at men. But this is completely unisex to me, okay? So what I'm smelling at the moment is completely unisex, as Dior Homme and Dior Homme Intense was once upon a time. So the new version of Dior Homme and Dior Homme Intense, I'm one of those people which absolutely dislike it. I love the original Dior Homme, I love the original Dior Homme Intense, and especially my favorite of them all was Dior Homme Perfume. But this one is nothing like Dior Homme Perfume. Dior Homme Perfume got quite a heavy leather. This one is lacking leather. Maybe it's got leather, but it's very, very faint in the background, okay? But overall it's gorgeous. For what I paid, I didn't expect this. So it is much better quality than the price I paid for. My friend mentioned that this one, when it came out 10-12 years ago, it was basically the price for it was around £80. So the price of this fragrance wasn't cheap when it came out, and you can tell that. You can tell the quality is much more than what I paid for it. Okay, so that was the first impression. I will give you an update in a few days time. So how is the performance and all that good things. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. I hope you are doing very well, and thank you very much for joining me again, and I'll see you later, guys. Bye.